What's up guys, welcome to the YouTube channel Callbacks, and in today's video we're going to talk about JavaScript Async 08, how to use them and what it is. It's coming up right now. So we're back in the video guys, welcome to the channel, and if you're new to the YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button and also the notification button to get updated when I release new videos like this. So basically, what is JavaScript Async 08 programming? It's actually just a little simple snippet of code you add in conjunction with promises to make your code look more cleaner and a little less lengthy in my perspective. But as we go on, I'm actually going to show you its main unique feature, use with promises. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a simple variable called promise1 and set that equals to I'm not going to create a variable, I'm going to create a function called promise1. And inside the promise1 function, I'm going to create a variable called let's call this holder equals new promise object. So it actually takes two parameters, the resolve and the reject. If you guys haven't watched my JavaScript promises video, you should go and check it down. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below so you can check out the tutorial to get a clear understanding of promises. So under this promise object, I'm going to create something called I'm going to say it should, what am I going to do? I'm going to put parameter in here. I'm going to say console.log welcome to the channel callbacks. So then inside the callbacks, I'm actually going to use the resolve function. I'm going to say resolve, please subscribe. Please subscribe. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take out this please subscribe. I passed in a parameter in the function promise1, which is e. Is up here, so I'm going to pass out a resolve. I'm going to put resolve e. Then that should be our first function, which inside the function we create a promise objects which we assign to the variable holder. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to say inside this function I'm going to return holder. I'm going to create a new function again. Let me just copy this code, paste it down here. And guys, promise2. Promise2. We'll move this parameter e. I'm going to call it resolve. I'm going to say resolve. Scratch your channel, okay. Subscribe to the channel for more videos. I'm going to remove this console.log. I'm going to put I'm just going to remove it. I'm not going to put anything, just remove this console.log. The result in here. I'm gonna return the holder. So you can see basically guys, I created two similar functions which holds in a promise object. The first promise is called promise1 and it's gonna console log welcome to the channel callback. It's gonna resolve, and it basically told you guys in the promises video, resolve is actually the function responsible for when the promises actually get executed. When it's a success, then when it's a failure we use the reject. But in this case I'm going to reject, but for the sake of this video I'm going to put reject in case there's an error. like error found somewhere. And this, I think I put reject to error found. No way, I'm gonna put no way. That makes sense. Error found nowhere. So basically I'm gonna use the JavaScript async await function. What the JavaScript async await function does is, when you create a promise, normally a promise actually, it doesn't wait for the first one to finish it. So when you run a promises, the two promises get executed, and the first or the second promise, whatever gets executed first, will be executed first without waiting for the first one to finish. I hope you understand that term I actually used. So when you execute two promises, the first one, if it takes time, the second one is going to wait for the first one. First promise executes, it's going to execute its own, then the second one last. But with JavaScript async await function, we can actually wait for one promise to execute fully before the second commences. So I'm going to create a simple JavaScript async await. You want to put async await in front of the function. Tell JavaScript this is an async await function. I'm going to call this runner. I'm going to create two variables. We're going to say variable first equals, I'm going to call this first, I'm going to call the promise 2. I'm going to say promise 2. Promise 2. So what I'm going to do is, I'm actually going to wait. I'm going to put the await keyword in front of promise 2. What this await does is, I'm basically telling JavaScript to wait for this promise for it to fully execute before moving on to the next one. So I'm going to say variable sec equals await promise 1. Then remember, in promise 1, when we created a function, we had the promise object. I added a parameter, so which we're going to pass in an argument in that function. So I'm going to go down below. I'm going to put in promise 1, I'm going to pass in first as the argument. First. Then I think I'm going to come down below. I'm going to console log out sec. I will keep my fingers crossed. Hopefully this function runs without no error. Do this. Okay, I'm going to do that one more time, guys, so you can see that. I'm going to say, do this one more time. You see we have welcome to the channel, callbacks, and subscribe to the channel for more videos. What actually happened here below is the first promise, which is the second promise, I ran that first, which is promise 2. So it said subscribe to the channel. It said I'm sorry, the first promise 1, which ran first, it said welcome to the channel, callbacks. Then of course actually console.log the second. So when I actually run the first function, which I actually called promise 2, this one, which actually had in this promise object, we said resolve subscribe to the channel for more videos. So once you're gonna output that resolve function, which is subscribe to the channel for more videos, I'm gonna pass in that argument into this promise, which is promise 1 as that e, and it's gonna say welcome to the channel, callbacks, and resolve e. It's gonna print in subscribe to the channel for more videos. I hope you guys understand. So what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to create another example for you. I'm going to create a set timeout. So I'm going to put welcome to the channel, callbacks, set timeout function. I'm going to say resolve channel in progress. Yeah, I'm gonna wait. No, I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna say welcome to the channel. Callbacks. And the console, I'm not gonna say channel in progress. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put a space of 3.5 seconds right there, just 500 milliseconds. Now what's gonna happen is I'm gonna call the function back. So let's see what this gives us. Okay, we have an error found somewhere. Resolve, welcome to the channel, callbacks, set timeouts, content log, reject, return holder. Subscribe to the channel for more videos too. Okay, I'm gonna call this E. So it's gonna resolve. Yeah, I'm gonna resolve E. If that's the error, then I'm actually gonna say content log, yeah, channel in progress, subscribe to the channel for more videos. Or I'm just gonna say welcome to the channel, callbacks. Welcome to the channel, callbacks. So then go down below and I'll build this. Hopefully it won't get any error. To get an error found somewhere on handle per editor instead of the catch. What is the error? Resolve slash channel. New promise. And resolve E. Let's see this correct. Reject. Okay, since I get the error, where will this reject? Because promise 2 and first we get that with which build right now. Okay guys, you can see guys, why am I getting undefined? Welcome to the channel, callbacks. Resolve E. Yeah. So we're gonna pass in channel callbacks, please. Actually, wasn't supposed to put the E parameter there, so I'm gonna resolve when I'm gonna log out. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thank you. So when I build this, we have something nice. You can see what is happening here guys is in this await actually said okay, the variable first await the first promise function, which is promise 2. So it's gonna wait for the promise 2 to execute, which is this one. So it's gonna say subscribe to the channel for more videos. But actually what's it gonna do when I wait for this stuff, this first function, I call this stuff, that's the function, I'm gonna pass the function as a argument inside promise 1. You know, promise 1 had a parameter called E, so I'm gonna pass promise 2, which is this one, into promise 1 here, which is this E. So it's gonna, what's happening, gonna do, it's gonna resolve whatever I get in E, gonna resolve it out. So I'm actually gonna say variable first, so wait promise 1 first, then resolve that. So it's gonna bring out the function, take first, then go to console log sec So we're gonna have that as the answer. A. On guys, I want to try something guys in the comment. Let me just change this to E. That is more better guys. So what actually happened here was that E parameter I passed into the first promise, which is this. I'm actually going to resolve that right here. So this E parameter, I'm passing in the function promise2 as an argument inside the E parameter, the promise1 function. So it's inside the promise1. Actually, I chose JavaScript. Okay, run the promise1, run the promise2 function. Actually, I should have changed this. Okay, let me make this promise1, and promise2. That's better. So I told JavaScript run the promise1 function. Do here promise2. So run the promise1 function, but await. That means wait for it to completely execute. And when it's done executing, I create a variable called variable sec, time for second, then await promise2. I'm going to pass in the output of promise1 function into the promise2 as an argument, which is first. I'm going to log out the sec, the variable sec. I'm just making second, and see what we get. So in the first promise, which is actually the promise1, you can see we had variable hold. I'm going to say I actually resolved out. Subscribe to the channel for more videos. And this is actually what's going to pass into the promise2 as a parameter, this function, whole function. So it's actually going to resolve that. Going to print this out after 3.5 seconds. So but before that, I'm going to say welcome to the channel callbacks. Then it's going to wait 3.5 seconds and it's going to log out this to the console. So when I run this one more time guys, actually going to see welcome to the channel callbacks. And why am I getting the error? I think I know why. Because promise1 is actually supposed to be passed in. I think it was promise1. Yeah, promise2 is going to actually get first. I put a 0 instead of a O. So now run this one more time. You should have no errors. Welcome to the channel callbacks. After 3.5 seconds, we have subscribed to the channel for more videos. So guys, I hope this give you a clear description. And if you got confused in anywhere, guys, you can drop a comment below and tell me where you got confused, and I'll try to elaborate more for you. So guys, I'm going to show you how to use async wait with a try and catch block, because actually in async wait we don't have anything like a dot catch like promises. We just have the number await keyword. So you want to put it in a try and catch block to check for errors. So we're going to use the try method. Put this to try this, then if this doesn't work, you can see catch E. See console log error in your code. And I log this error in your code. Debug again. Can I actually debug JavaScript code? I don't know. I'm gonna run this. Welcome to the channel callbacks. And after 3.5 seconds, we have subscribed to the channel for more videos. So if I had made this like a sec, let me say I do a mixed spelling there. I run this. Let's see what we have. You can see it said welcome to the channel. So what basically happened is that when it got to the, it tried this and it saw, okay, promise one actually worked. Okay, promise one actually worked, which is this. So, but when it got to the second variable, when it passed in the first variable here, which contains the promise one function, and then passed to the promise two function inside the second variable, it got an error because you can see we have a misspelling here, so it couldn't launch or run this code, which is resolve E, which is also print out. Subscribe to the channel for more videos. So that's actually how you use the try. That's actually how you use the try and catch block to catch errors in Async await JavaScript. I hope with this simple video, guys, you guys got a clear understanding of Async await JavaScript. And guys, please comment down below what videos you want me to do in this channel more, so I can get more ideas to keep this channel going. And I want to say this once again: if you're new to the YouTube channel, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification button to get notified when I release new videos like this. Till then, guys, I'm signing out.